Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this crochet wig cap that you can use for your own crochet wig. So with that said, let's jump right into the video. So you want to start by securing the black cap to the mannequin head. So just go ahead and place the cap on top of the mannequin head. So next, take your pins and pin the black cap to the mannequin head all the way around. So this will prevent the cap from shifting while trying to pin the lace in place. So next, take your lace and position it where you want it to sit, making sure you have a little bit of lace hanging in the front. So next, take a pin and start by pinning one side of the lace in place, just secure it in place. So right here, I'm taking a pin, I'm going to pin this side in place first, a little bit behind the ear, the mannequin ear. So now that that is done, I'm going to pin the other side in place. Doing the same thing, I'm going to pin it a little bit behind the ear. So now that that is secure, the next step now is to adjust the lace and position it properly how you want it to sit. So if you need to pull it forward a little bit, go ahead and do that. So once that is done, so once you make the decision of that, it's now time to smooth and pin the lace where you want it. So for me, I'm going to be doing a curvy side part. So if you want yours to be straight, you need to go ahead and smooth a straight side part. So like I said, I want mine to be a bit curved. So right here, I'm going ahead to smooth it to clear up the part. I want to make sure that to get rid of any bubble on that particular area, as you can see right here. So once you smooth out the side part, the next step is to take your pins and pin along the edge of the side part, making sure that the actual part where you want your side part to be is bubble free. So once that is done, you need to take a fabric marker or a concealer and draw in a line a little bit above the elastic band on the black cap, because we're going to be cutting that out. So as you can see in this video, go ahead and draw in your line. And also you need to draw in the line for the side part. Right here, I'm going in with a thread and needle, and I'm securing the lace to the black cap before going ahead to cut off the excess lace from the back. And also, I'm going to be sewing the lace and the black cap together using my sewing machine. So attaching the lace and the black cap together help to secure it in place, so that way when I remove the cap from the mannequin head, my lace will still be intact and nothing will ruin the placement of the lace. So you need to go ahead and attach your lace to the black cap using a needle and thread. So once that is done, it's time to take your scissors and cut out the excess lace from the back of the cap, as you can see in this video. the next step is to sew the lace and the black cap together. So to do that, you need to sew along the edge of the lace to the black cap. So I didn't film the video on this particular one, so I'm using a different clip here just to demonstrate how to sew the lace to the black cap. So you want to attach the lace to the along the edge of the lace to the black cap, as you can see right here. So this is when you're doing it by hand. And to sew it on your sewing machine, you need to use a zigzag stitch to sew the edge of the lace to the black cap. So again, I'm using a different clip because I didn't film the process of the very cap. So again, to sew the lace and the black cap together using your sewing machine, you need to use a zigzag stitch sewing along the edge of the lace. So once you're done sewing it, the next step is to cut out the thread you use in securing the lace to the black cap. So once that is done, the next step is to cut out the black cap under the lace. So you're cutting out the elastic band, okay, under the lace, making sure to pay attention to what you're doing. You don't want to accidentally cut the lace, so pay attention to what you're doing and gently cut out the black cap from under the lace. So you want to remove the elastic band first before going ahead to focus on the side part. So right here, I'm going ahead to cut out the black cap from the side part area. Again, be careful and pay attention to what you're doing. You don't want to put in all that work just to end up cutting the lace. So pay attention to what you're doing. Okay, so once you're done cutting out the black cap under the wig cap, your cap should be looking like this. So next, place it back to the mannequin head and pin it in place. And your wig cap is ready for your project. So here is the wig, the crochet wig I made using the wig cap. The link to the video on this crochet wig is in the description box down below. So be sure to check the description box to watch the video on how you can make your own beautiful, natural looking crochet wig. And as always, if you find this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button down below if you are new to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one.